Hello, everyone. This is Isidore here from the High Ambition Coalition for Nature and People. Just a quick walkthrough on how to create a new request on the matchmaking platform. First, go to hackfornatureandpeople.org. Then click Login at the top right. Enter your email and password. And if you're on a secure device, check Remember Me. Click Login afterwards. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and click Create a New Request. A form will open where you can choose the type of request. Select either technical assistance or financial assistance, then add a short title. Next, move through the tabs to complete your request. Assistance requested to describe the support you need. Please remember to keep requests focused on 30 by 30 objectives. Geographical coverage and ecosystems to define the where and the what the request covers. Partners if you'd like to add collaborators, and other information for language, dates, contact details, or to upload documents. If it's a financial request, make sure to include a budget. Once you're done, save it as a draft or click Submit Request. And that's it. Your request has been added to the matchmaking platform. Thanks for using the platform, and we look forward to connecting with you.